Hey, what up YouTube? D4G here banging out another video. Man, look, I got a quick one for y'all, but a good one. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from a package I got in today. Stay tuned, man. Man, like I said, man, I got an unboxing that came in. I ordered a little package. I'm trying to do something different for y'all. Got me a package. Got 2 new fragrances in, all right? They came in from Joma Shop, something like that, man. They got watches, all kinds of stuff, but I ain't worried about that. Let's get into this unboxing real quick, and I'm gonna give y'all a little details on about them, man. So I should have had this fragrance on the 10th. They gave me my shipping number. Man, how they do their stuff, man. I ain't received this stuff till I received this pack. No, I apologize. I should have received this package on the 9th, but I didn't get it till today. I will say this, when they finally get around to getting it to USPS, I got it. It shipped out on the 9th. I got it on the 11th. But I should have been had it so I can share this with y'all, man. Y'all know I try to share everything with y'all, man. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, man. I got 2 new fragrances, man. At the end of the day, I'm gonna have a link in the description for these 2 packages. Well, man, I'm excited to get into both of them. Let's see what they got. I hope they send me the right shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see what we got. Don't need that. So the first one we're gonna be going over is Armaf Le Parfait. And the second one, I'm gonna put that one to the side. We're gonna go over that one a little bit later. And the second is, sheesh, I like this one now. Hold on, man. Y'all know I normally throw away the box, but on this one right here, I might have to kick this bad boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. The second one that we're gonna be going over is Fakhar Lattafa, okay? Now, we're gonna unbox this one first. This one is supposed to be a YSLY clone. Now, y'all know me, I represent for my B.O.B. ballers on a budget, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm excited to see what this one is like. I ain't gonna lie, y'all not gonna see me. I'm gonna throw away this, get that out the way, cause we don't need that. This box I might hold on to, man. Check it out, man. You see the front got some engravings. Now this does have like a little pop-out fixture on it, so it does have some a nice feel to it. And then you got the back right there. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. Now we're gonna open this up together because I'm gonna share this one with y'all. Y'all know I rock with y'all, man. So let's see. Brother. Now the bottle looks beautiful, but you see how the bottle looks beautiful, but you see how it came though, right? I ain't do nothing extra with that. That's all how it came. I'ma still hold on to the box. I ain't gonna throw this one to the side. But if yours comes in a full presentation, it's gonna look something like this right here. And again, like I said, this is a YSLY clone. Now, this could be a YSLY, the Eau de Toilette, or this could be a YSLY, the EDP. We're gonna see. But look on the front, you know what I'm saying? Got a nice little fish scale going, and then you go on the back. Got some fish scales on the back with the Lattafa as well. I want y'all to know I wasn't playing about the name, man. It really does say Fakhar Lattafa. So I'm not just trying to curse just to curse. Let's see what this juice sitting on. Get this atomizer turned straight. Let's see what it's on, man. Let me grab one of my tester strips. You know I gotta have a tester strip when I'm doing this. So let's see what it's hitting on real quick. Hold on. Now I ain't gonna hold y'all. This is actually a beautiful looking bottle, especially with the cap on top. Yeah, this is a beautiful looking bottle. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is gonna look good in the box or without the box. Honestly, it might go without the box, but let's see what the juice sitting on. I know that's what y'all came to see. So let's see what we got. All right, give it a little whiffs real quick. Give it a little twirl whirl. Let's see. Oh my God. I ain't even gotta put this shit on my nose. This shit already hit. Hold on. Hey, dog, before I even put this on my nose, I know y'all saw the reaction. This right here is already giving me YSLY, the EDP version vibes. Bruh, like I said, y'all know I represent for the B.O.B. fellas, man. I'm telling you right now, if you want a cheaper clone of YSLY, especially in the opening, initial impression, this right here will get you there. I will have a link in the description. Don't forget, I will have a link in the description. But this right here is definitely giving me YSL vibes. It's opening, hold on, it's opening up with a little bit of a little bit of sage, more of that citrusy notes, a little bit of aquatic. Hey, this right here is hidden. I'm telling you right now, 20, 25 bucks, you cannot beat this with a stick, bro. This right here is beautiful, man. I'm loving this. And again, this is giving me that YSL vibes. This is again one of those fragrances that was around $20, $25. This right here is hidden. It's giving me exactly the same notes in the initial opening that YSL was giving me. The EDP version, again, I'm talking about the EDP, not the EDT. Yeah, man. Winter chicken dinner, man. Y'all already know what it is. Like I said, if you want a clone of the YSL EDP version for 20, 25 bucks, this is gonna be one of those ones that you want to go to. And again, it's Fakhar Lattafa B.O.B. fragrance, man. Now the second one that we're gonna go to, y'all probably already seen it before, Le Parfait. Now, from what I've heard, this one is a mixture of 2 Creed fragrances. Now, don't get me lying to you. I do not remember off top what it is, but my nose should be able to dictate the difference between the 2. And again, got the box. I ain't gonna lie, this bottle looks immaculate as well. I'm rocking with this bottle heavy. Now, it does have a pop-up cap. It comes off just like that. And it's magnetic. Y'all already know how I feel about them magnetic caps, man. I'm rocking with that heavy, man. I'm rocking with that heavy. Now, let's see how this one smells, because this is one that I'm kind of excited to see what it's like, seeing what it's hitting on. I'm letting the Fakhar Lattafa hit that dry down fragrance, but now let's see what this Le Parfait is hitting on right now. Hold on, they might have sprayed this one already. I ain't used to that. All right, got a couple of sprays on in that one. Okay, I know exactly what this is smelling like now that I smell it. So look, this right here is a mixture. Club de Nuit Intense for Men and Tres Nuit. This is a very nice mixture of both of them. And it's going away very nicely. Yeah. Hey, we done did something with this one right here. Bro, this shit is so pleasant. It doesn't have a harsh synthetic opening as the Club de Nuit Intense for Men, but it has that smoothness. It opens up very pleasant, like Tres Nuit from Armaf. This is opening up beautifully. This is a great mixture between Club de Nuit Intense for Men and Tres Nuit. That's all I'm smelling. Without that harsh opening that Club de Nuit Intense for Men has. This is giving me a great mixture of the 2. It definitely smells like a spring, summer, fall type fragrance. Now in the winter, I don't know, because I can see myself choosing something else in the winter. But as far as those 3 seasons that I mentioned, spring, summer, fall, you can wear this. This is definitely office safe. This is definitely casual safe. Yeah, man. Hey, 2 for 2. Winter chicken fucking dinner. We back at it again. We did not miss. I'm gonna see what this Fakhar Lattafa hitting on now that it's done dried down a little bit. Bruh, the Fakhar Lattafa is getting better and better as it dries down. This is definitely giving those YSL vibes. This is hitting on every single phase of the YSL the EDP version. Again, not the EDT, but it's hitting on that EDP version. And both of these fragrances were less than 20, 25 bucks. You can't miss with that. It's kind of hard to go wrong with. You can't miss with that, but it's kind of hard to, when you know what you like and you know what smells you're attracted to, it's kind of hard to miss with that. Like this right here is definitely hitting on another note. Fakhar by Lattafa, YSL clone of YSL EDP. And then the Le Parfait, the more I'm seeing it, the more I'm getting the smell of it dry down, the more I'm getting that vibe of Tres Nuit mixed with Club de Nuit Intense for Men. This right here is another beautiful fragrance. This is definitely a win. 2 for 2. We not missing. I'm enjoying both of these. And even as I continue to let that Le Parfait dry down, it's not missing, dog. It's not missing. This shit is hitting on every note. This definitely smells like a mixture of both of them, and I'm enjoying both of these. This was definitely a win pickup. I'm gonna have a link in the description for both of them. I do think that if you're a B.O.B. guy, somebody who's trying to get something for the low, this is something that you're gonna need to pick up. And again, I will have a link in the description for both of them, but if you're trying to get something to pick up for that spring, summer, fall, and again with that Fakhar Lattafa, that one's definitely gonna be a year-round fragrance. Hey, both of them are hitting heavy. Both of them are hitting good. The projection I think will be best with the Fakhar Lattafa, but I'm gonna give the Le Parfait a couple of wears and see, because y'all know me, I'm a heavy sprayer. I always like to overspray, and I don't want to tell y'all or suggest that y'all will overspray something and it be too much. It might be one of those subtle fragrances, but it's actually loud when you go out and about to wear it. So yeah, man, both of those are good, man. I'm not tripping. I do think that the Fakhar Lattafa was the biggest W in this, but to me, both of them are hidden. It's not a loss. You can't go wrong if you was to just pick up both of them. I do think that it's a W, and y'all know me. Like I said, I'm not gonna steer you wrong. I'm gonna let you know if a fragrance is good, and I'm gonna let you know if a fragrance is bad. Hey, I appreciate y'all staying tapped in, man. We about to get up out of here. Y'all already know what it is, man. I hope y'all have a great day. Stay blessed, stay up. Hey, truly blessed, destined for greatness. Banging out another one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe link. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can always be updated, because we're going to keep banging out these fragrance reviews. With all that being said, D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. Hey, we out.